Grilled eggplant or yakinasu is a simple side dish that is enjoyed during the summer in Japan when eggplants are in season. Eggplants are grilled directly on the flame and charred skins are removed. Served with bonito flakes, grated ginger, and soy sauce. Complete recipe is on JapaneseCooking101.com. Peel and grate a ginger root. Set aside. Make a slit around the stem of the eggplant and remove the calyx like that. Grill eggplants directly on the flame of a gas stove or use a portable gas stove like this. Rotate and cook the whole vegetable for 4 to 5 minutes. Cool for a couple of minutes to be able to handle and peel the charred skin like that. And wash lightly to remove the specks of skin and pat dry with paper towels. Cut into 3 pieces lengthwise and cut into smaller pieces if you like. Plate the eggplants and top with bonito flakes, grated ginger, and soy sauce. You can eat it right away or chill it in the fridge. Soft, flavorful, and refreshing. You should definitely try this healthy and delicious side dish.
美味しい。美味しいね。